Many tales related to the war have been described in Hindu scriptures. Many people know about the wars mentioned in Mahabharata and Ramayana, but very few know about the wars which are mentioned in our Puranas. Today, I am going to tell you about one such war described in Shiv Puran. Hello and welcome to the Divine Tales. According to Shiv Purana, one day Lord Vishnu along with goddess Lakshmi was resting on Sheshnag. The creator of the universe, Lord Brahma, reached there. As Lord Vishnu was in deep meditation, when Lord Brahma arrived, he did not greet him. Seeing this, Lord Brahma got furious and said to Lord Vishnu, "I am your Guru, and even after my arrival you are still asleep?" Lord Vishnu opened his eyes, and he too got angry after hearing such words from him. But then he calmed his mind and asked, "Welcome, why are you angry?" Lord Brahma replied, "Along with world, I am also your protector. I am respected in the whole world. Then how can you insult me?" Lord Vishnu, "You know very well that the whole universe is inside me. You too have originated from my navel lotus, and I am your father. Therefore, all your statements are false." On hearing this, Brahma got angry and started to claim himself superior. For some time there was an argument over superiority, and soon both of them took out their weapons and a battle was started between the two of them. As soon as the war broke out, Lord Vishnu rode on his vehicle Garud and started showering arrows at Lord Brahma. Brahma also started throwing arrows at Lord Vishnu. Seeing that his arrows had no effect on Lord Brahma, Vishnu attacked Brahma with the Maheshwar weapon. To save himself, Brahma threw his weapon. The collision of the weapons caused the whole universe to tremble, but the war between the two continued. Seeing no result of the war, all the gods and goddesses got scared and went to meet Lord Shiva on Mount Kailash from heaven. On reaching Kailash, gods narrated to Shiva about the battle between Lord Vishnu and Lord Brahma and requested him to stop the battle between the two. After listening to the gods, Lord Shiva said, "I already know about this war. They both are fighting unnecessarily to prove their superiority. I, myself, will go to stop this war." He reached the place where Brahma and Vishnu were fighting. He took the form of a huge pillar of fire between them. Both of them were surprised to see this and asked each other, "What is this? We need to find out." Both of them decided that the first one to locate the end of this column would be considered the best, and both of them set out to find the end of the column. Vishnu took the form of a pig and started searching for the root, and in the form of the swan, Brahma started searching from the upper end. Many years passed, but neither Vishnu got the root of the fire nor Brahma got the upper end. Finally, Vishnu returned to the battlefield. On seeing Vishnu come back to the battlefield, even Brahma decided to come back. That's when on his way, he saw Ketki flowers falling. He asked the flower, "Why are you falling? And where is the upper end of this column?" Ketki replied, "I have been falling down from this pillar for many years, so I do not know where its top end is." Brahma told Ketki, "From now on, do as I say. Come down with me, and whatever I say to Vishnu, you testify that." Brahma reached the battlefield with Ketki flower, where Vishnu was sitting disappointed. On seeing Brahma, Vishnu told him, "I could not find the root of the column." Upon hearing this, Brahma got happy and said to Vishnu, "I have reached the upper end," and as it was decided, Ketki flower gave affirmation to this lie. Vishnu worshipped Brahma on considering him superior. Enraged by the lies told by Brahma, Lord Shiva immediately turned himself into his original form. Seeing Lord Shiva, Vishnu stood up and bowed to him. Lord Shiva told Vishnu, "I am happy with you. You did not resort to lies to prove yourself superior, so you too deserve worship equal to me." And to punish Brahma for his arrogance, he created bees to cut off the face of Brahma, from which he lied to Vishnu. On hearing this, Vishnu requested Lord Shiva to forgive Brahma. Lord Shiva did forgive Brahma, but also cursed him. "Nobody will honor you, and no one will worship you." Also, Lord Shiva stopped wearing Ketki flower from his neck forever. We hope you liked our today's video. If you did, do like and subscribe to our channel. Until then, take care and goodbye.